Hello friends, here I am Sapun Pal, and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we will draw a village scenery. So friends, at first, just we'll complete the gesture drawing with very lightly with pencil color. Okay, see, at first we have to complete the gesture. After that, we can use a deep brown color for detailing. just uh, just we have to complete the more detail from her face. See, here at first we'll complete her face. After that we'll do all the parts gradually. Okay friends, here I'm using pencil color, so here we have no scope to erase the line, so I think it's too tough for you. At first, if you want, you can use pencil color, not pencil color, with pencil. Then you can use the pencil color, because if you use directly pencil color, so it's too tough for you. So try to avoid this process, and if you want, you can, but it's too tough. But friends, we should try. Maybe we can waste the painting or waste the drawing, but if you try, then we can feel the situation that how we should draw whole drawing without eraser. We should take a risk, is it? Friends, in this way we'll complete whole drawing. So friends, here we will learn things that without eraser how can draw any drawing. So here only one process, that when we will draw any drawing with pen and ink and with pencil color, direct any color. So at first we should complete the gesture very lightly. After that we can complete the drawing. Okay, so friends, see, our figure drawing almost completed, is it? Yes. Now we can go to the background. See, here two plum trees. Just we have to complete the two trees in this way. After that we will draw two houses behind the lady. See, there are also two houses and bushes also. See friends, this composition is a very strong composition. If we want to learn composition properly, so we should follow the page proportion also properly. Okay, see, from here we'll start the house. Okay, see, I think this drawing is a very simple drawing, and I'm sure that if you follow this video, you can draw this one very easily. And if you want to use any color, you can apply any color: pastel color, watercolor, pencil sketch, anything. But at first you should complete the drawing very strongly. Okay, so friends, I told so many times that if you want to take any help, you can contact with us, and we are taking online classes, also offline classes. So if you want to learn from me, you can contact with me, and if you need any help, please contact with me. Okay, so friends, and if you like this video, please don't forget to share with your friends, with your relatives. Okay, all of you, bye.